People move to a new region for many different reasons. The dash for moving can come from a combination of what researchers sometimes call push and pull dash. So the dash, we need a noun after the incentive, inspiration, motivation, drive. So when people move, there should be a reason behind their movement, and that reason can be what motivates them to move. Incentive is an extra pay, anything extra bonus, allowance is called incentive. Inspiration you get from something, not some we cannot just move because our friends are moving. That's not an inspiration. There should be a reason for doing that. The drive for moving, so drive cannot be used here. We are not talking about driving. We are saying what are the reasons behind moving. Also, when you read ahead in the third sentence, this is some of the factors that motivate people. So yes, motivation can be used as a reason for moving. The motivation comes from a combination of push and pull dash those. So they have explained this push and pull, whatever the answer is, with those that encourage. Those means the answer should be plural. So when we look at the options, there's only one plural option, which is factors. Factors, what are those factors? Those that encourage people to leave a region and those that attract people to a new region. Some of the factors that motivate people to move dash: seeking a better climate, finding more affordable housing, looking for work. So these are the examples basically they are given of the factors. So some of the factors that motivate people to move dash. So when we give examples, you always use the word include. Some of the examples include, some of the factors include. Comprise and contain do not give the examples. Comprise and contain tells us what is included in the previously mentioned thing. For example, if there is a tablet that we take as a medicine, we can say this paracetamol tablet, let's say, it comprises of 0.5 grams of this salt, 0.10 grams of this salt. So that is how we use the word comprise or contain, that is in it. And that those things which are contained or those things which are comprised, they cannot be individually sorted out. So from the tablet, we cannot sort out this salt and that salt. But include, there are different things that just come under one list, that is include. Then they say looking for work or retiring from work, leaving the dash of city living. So what offs, when we have a blank before off, we need to put a noun in that case. Jamming, blocking, congestion, clogging. So all these things is better represented by the word congestion, and it's also a noun. Congestion means like so much hustle and bustle of city living. Wanting a more pleasant environment and wanting to be near to family and friends. In reality, many complex factors and personal factors may dash to motivate a person. So with may comes first form of verb, may cooperate. Factors cannot cooperate. Humans can cooperate with each other. Network is not a verb. Interact is a verb, intermingle. But intermingle would be mixing with each other. There are two ways we use the word mingle. One is to actually mix the things with each other, and second is we use it when we want to say socialize. Like you might have heard saying you should mingle with your friends. So that means you should socialize with your friends. But here factors cannot intermingle, they cannot socialize, and factors are not physical things that can mix with each other. So we'll say interact, because interaction means there can be two factors at a time because of which you are moving. There can be three factors at a time because of which we move. So personal factors and complex factors both can interact to motivate a person to move.